this video, I will show you how to create hypnotherapy consultation form. First, you need to click add on, coffee form, and then load form template. You can search hypnotherapy consultation. After you found it, just click load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, question, and the settings too. Just refresh the page, and then click coffee form and get link. And then click continue. Choose your account, and then click advanced. Go to coffee form, and then just click allow here and just wait for the link. And now copy the link and paste it into your search engine. Now the form is ready to use, but you can also change the questions as you want. Like for example, go to question type. I want to insert a new row here, like I choose radio button, and then just copy the text and I change it into gender, for example. And don't forget to fill the option. I fill it with male or female, and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change into text area and fill it with address. Don't forget to clear the option, and then it will show like this in the form, like this. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so the row will disappear instantly. You can also change your background color of your form in the settings and then pick the color as you want. It's very easy. Also here I want to add a new style for the title. I add mark behavior here. Just follow the step. And the scroll amount, you can set it. Here I use 25 for example, and don't forget to close the mark. And then go back to your form, and the title now is moving. Thank you.